Kain with me! So, I have here Mang Inasal's newest 4 cheese halo-halo, and of course, hindi pwede mawala ang pecho and toge. I'm so excited to try this! Lumpiang toge first. You know what? I'll try my best talaga na magkamay na properly. Ready niyo ako i-bash. See? So, I've mentioned in my previous videos that I'm eating dessert or sweets after every meal. And sakto, Mang Inasal's 4 cheese halo-halo is back. Grabe, hindi tinipid. We have ice cream, cheesecake, and of course we have grated cheese. Oh my God, yes! Hinahalo-halo ka na siya. Let's try it out. Let's mukbang it na. Yes! Ang sarap. Para siyang carbonara of pastas. Charot. Kasi it's white eh. Gets nyo? Creamy. So masarap. Ang creamy niya. By the way, this is only available until December 31. If you guys love cheese, or alam mo yun, yung creamy-creamy, yung crema-crema, this is it. Look at the cheesecake bits. I'm sure that P is so happy right now in my stomach. Grow ka lang dyan.